Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia and this is Shikha. So friends, if Texas Instrument is also visiting your campuses and you guys are also preparing for the interview of this particular company, this is going to help you out. This particular video is going to help you out to know more about this company, about the management, about mission, vision, products and services, and most important part, we are going to be also discuss about the HR question related to this also, right? So yes, Texas Instrument is the world leading multinational company in semiconductor, you can say it out, and if you also want to be the part of this multinational company, you need to be prepare your interview in a very good manner. I can say it out, you need to be aware about all the relevant things related to this company. So let's get started and check the highlights that what we need to be prepared for an interview for this. So yes, this is Texas Instrument Incorporated, which is an American multinational company, semiconductor company, which is its headquarters in Texas, okay, and this is one of the top 10 semiconductor companies worldwide, right? So yes, Texas Instrument emerged in 1951 after a reorganization of Geophysical Service Incorporated, a company founded in 1930, then manufactured equipment for use in the seismic industry as well as defense electronics, right? Then it comes to in 1987 TI invented the digital light, right? So this is basically expansion and the actual renown, you can say the recognition of this particular company that you need to be aware about, okay? So more than 1 lakh customers it is serving, and this is a semiconductor company that designs, manufactures and sells analog and embedded processing chips. Talking about the history, very important part, they often used to be asked in the interview that are you aware about the history of this company, are you aware about that how it has been formed, when it has been established and like this. So yes, you need to be talk about that. Texas Instrument has been founded by Cecil H. Green J. Rick Johnson and McDermott and Patrick E. Hegarty in 1951, right? Then it has been given the whole history that from 1956 to 61, Fred England of Dallas, later Republic member of the Texas House of Representatives, means how it has been formed, you can say it out, okay? So yes, this is the founder, headquarter is in the Texas, US, and products it has been also written, which we'll also discussing it later. Chairman of the board, that is Rich Tampton. President and CEO is Heather Villan, and chief, you can say it out, the financial officer is Rafael Lizardi, and its headquarter is in, you can say it out, Texas, USA, basically, that you need to be learn and you need to be aware, which is very, very important. Talking about mission and vision, see, this is something very important question from the, I can say, your point of view, your interview, that is, which is, you can say it out, what do you know about the mission and vision of this company, okay? On which particular thing it is currently focusing and what they are planning for the future sustainable plans, you can say it out. So yes, this is vision is to create a better world by making electronics more affordable through semiconductors, and mission is to be a global semiconductor company. Of course it is already there, but yes, they want to be help customer design electronics and make the world smarter, you can say it out. Then it comes to, of course, that you can read it out that what is in their values, because sometimes they also used to be asked about you that are you aware about the core values of this particular, you can say it out, the company. Are you aware about the core values, the, you can say, environment of this Texas Instrument? So yes, you need to be aware. This is trustworthy, inclusive, innovative, result oriented and competitive. After that, key facts are founded in 1930, headquartered in Texas, publicly traded, okay, and Haviland is the president and CEO, you can say. Product portfolio, अब ये semiconductor में इनके कौन-कौन से products हैं? See, that is analog and embedded processing, which contribute to more than 90% of its revenue, okay? TI design and manufactures thousands of products, which is very, very essential for, you can say, the electric, I can say in this, electrification, or I can say in electronic system across industries such as automotive, industrial communication, healthcare and consumer electronics, ठीक है? एनालॉग प्रोडक्ट में आ जाता है It's a market leader in analog semiconductor, which is very very crucial of course for managing power. And key analog product आ जाते हैं, जैसे DC converters, linear regulators, battery chargers, power switches. Signal chain products आ जाते हैं, operational amplifiers, data converters, comparators, voltage reference. Then interface ICs is USB and Ethernet physical layer. Embedded processing product इसका second you can say the revenue generator product है Texas Instrument का, TI का, and this is something microcontrollers, ठीक है, MSP 430, simple link wireless, then ARM correct and digital signal processors में आ जाता है used in audio, image processing and motor I can say control. Then this Sitara TM processors, that is high performance processors based on ARM Cortex. DLP आ जाता है, that is digital light processing technology. Connectivity solutions is the TI offers a range of wireless connectivity solutions, ठीक है. Then it comes to, these are widely used in IoT devices, home automation, sensors and control products आ जाते हैं, that is temperature sensors, capacitive touch sensors, Hall effect and motor drivers. So these are some main products and services of Texas Instrument. Now who are the main competitors? It is also very important part, and sometime candidates used to be give answer, ma'am, I think Texas is a world or the you can say American multinational company, so there is no as such competitor. No, this is not the scenario. You need to be aware about that. Who is the competitor actually? So जो Texas के competitor हैं basically, you can say it out. This is I can say it out, analog and embedded processing segment इसके सबसे बड़े जो हैं products हैं, ठीक है. And this is AID, you can say it out, that is Wilmington, right? That is the you can say ADI is the biggest competitor. Then Infineon Technologies AG, right? Of course. Then it comes to ST Microelectronics ST, that is the biggest competitor. Then NXP Semiconductors, ON Semiconductors, on semi, ठीक है. Then Microchip Technology Incorporation, then Renesas Electronics Corporation of course, and yes, these are the main competitors which are almost itself, they are themselves are a renowned companies at worldwide. Financial performance, you need to be aware what is the revenue in 2024. These are the key markets, and this is $15.64 billion. Okay. Please check out the highlights of this financial performance. Although it's not very important, but yes, somewhere it is important. You need to be aware. Now, these are some you can say the key environmental sustainable focus area where Texas Instrument is contributing towards themselves. That is GHG emission reduction, renewable energy, electricity by 2030. ठीक है, water conservation, waste and material management. So corporate social responsibilities are STEM education, that is of course globally including initiatives. Then it comes to focuses on energy efficient manufacturing and low carbon emissions. Then diversity and inclusion in the workplace and community. ठीक है. Recent projects and innovation, AI integrated edge processing, EV power management solution, gallium nitride technologies, and TI's custom chip platform. These are the major projects and innovation of Texas Instrument. अब important news क्या है basically? Expansion in India. So TI have been announced a major investment to expand its R&D center in Bangalore, ठीक है, and engineering workforce को double करना है by 2026. TI have been acquired startup X2 circuits and partnership with global universities like MIT, IITs and Stanford to foster innovation and recruit top talent, right? These are the news, the current highlights of Texas you can say Instrument. So yes, very important part. HR part of course. So what can be the generic HR question related to this? First of all, introduction. You need to introduce yourself, hobbies, interest, strength, weakness. What do you know about Texas Instrument, right? What do you know about the recent projects of Texas Instrument basically, right? Who is the chairman, who is the president, when it has been found? Are you aware about the history of Texas Instrument? These are some generic HR questions related to this, and including that what is your mission and vision, ठीक है, what is the understanding of a recent project or products, why should we hire you, time when you have been worked in a team, and have you ever had a conflict with a teammate. So yes, these are some generic. How do you handle pressure or tight deadlines, an instance where you have to quickly learn something new, how do you prioritize tasks when you have multiple deadlines, and how do you explain complex technical concept to non-technical stakeholders, and how do you ensure clear communication within a diverse team, and describe a time about you had to multitask, right? So yes, these are some generic HR question which you need to be prepared. Okay, so I think we have covered all the things more or less. So this is all about Texas Instrument company, right? So yes guys, if you are also preparing for the campus placement of this particular organization, please do prepare these HR questions and this relevant information related to Texas Instrument, as this is very important from your interview point of view. Prepare these questions, prepare this information, and take different HR and mock sessions with YourPedia mentors. We are here to assist you out. Please don't forget to download this documentation and read it out and prepare it well. All the very best. Good luck.